In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a debit card from your Afterpay account quickly and easily. Whether you want to update your payment method or just remove an old card, this guide will help. First, open the Afterpay app and log into your account. Tap on the My Afterpay tab at the bottom right. Scroll down and select Payment Settings under Account Settings. Here, you'll see the cards linked to your account. Choose the debit card you want to remove and tap Remove this payment method. Confirm by tapping Remove again. If you prefer, you can also do this on the Afterpay website. Just log in, go to Account, then Payment Methods, find your debit card, click the three dots next to it, and select Remove. Keep in mind, you can't remove a card if there are active orders linked to it. Make sure all your payments are up to date and change payment methods on active orders first. If this video helped you remove your debit card from Afterpay, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.